Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best hollow wall anchors is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. These ingenious fasteners are the unsung heroes when it comes to hanging heavy items on drywall or plaster walls. From mounting shelves to securing artwork, choosing the right hollow wall anchor can make the difference between a secure installation and a disastrous drop. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hollow wall anchors. Number 5. Bullfix Universal Drywall Anchors, 24-pack. These heavy-duty drywall anchors are incredibly strong. They can hold up to 255 pounds, making them perfect for a variety of heavy items. Unlike toggle bolts, this patented design ensures a secure hold. You can rely on it for your mounting needs. These anchors are versatile and can be used on any cavity drywall application. They are a great alternative to other types of anchors. Ideal for shelves, mirrors, and TVs, it provides a secure and safe way to hang your items. However, it's not recommended for certain types of mounts. You'll never have to worry if the anchor has opened properly. The intuitive design ensures a reliable and secure installation. With the included drill bit and screws, installation is quick and easy. Following the simple steps, you can have it installed in no time. What we like. This anchor boasts an impressive weight capacity, making it perfect for heavy items. Its universal design means it works on various drywall types. If you're looking to hang shelves, mirrors, or even a TV, this is a great choice. You'll find it easy to install, ensuring a secure and reliable hold. What people say. This product worked perfectly and provided a solid foundation. Installation is quick, strength is unmatched, and whatever you hang isn't coming down unless a wrecking ball charges through your living room. They were simple to use, came with everything you need to get started, and 3 hangers easily mounted a 125 pounds TV unit. Number 4. Glarks M6X52 Heavy-Duty Hollow Wall Anchor Screws. This set includes 30 heavy-duty hollow wall anchors. They are designed for drywall, plaster, and tile. These anchors are perfect for various hanging needs. The screw diameter is about 6 mm, and the anchor length is about 52 mm. It can fit panels from 3 to 16 mm thick. This size offers a versatile solution for many projects. Made from carbon steel with a zinc-plated surface, it's strong and durable. They provide strong support and are not easy to break during installation. This ensures long-lasting performance. The anchors expand when installed, providing strong bearing capacity and safety. This expansion feature makes it durable enough for hanging items securely. It's a reliable choice. They are ideal for hanging curtain rods, lamps, photo frames, coat racks, and power switches. This makes it a versatile solution for various home improvement tasks. It is very useful. For optimal results, we recommend using professional hollow wall guns. The setting tool is available in our store. Using the right tools can make the process easier. What we like. These anchors are made from durable carbon steel with a zinc-plated surface, ensuring longevity. The expansion style provides a strong bearing capacity, making it ideal for hanging items. If you need a reliable solution for hanging curtain rods or photo frames, consider this option. It offers both strength and durability. What people say. Purchased a tool separately, and the fasteners works great for mounting curtain valances to my RV wall panels. Great wall anchors, very strong, and very well built. They worked great, and now my stove hood is securely attached to the wall. Number 3. TK Molly Bolt Hollow Drive Wall Anchor Screw Set. Introducing the TK Molly Bolt Set, designed for easy and secure installation. These anchors are perfect for various wall types, ensuring your items stay firmly in place. These hollow wall anchors are specifically designed for thin or hollow walls. Whether it's drywall or plasterboard, they provide a reliable hold, making the installation process simple. Built for durability, this set can handle both internal and external applications. You can trust it to provide a strong and lasting hold, no matter the environment. Made from high-quality materials, this set is built to last. It's a reliable solution for all your mounting needs, ensuring long-term performance. This set is perfect for a variety of uses, including radiator brackets and kitchen or bathroom cabinets. It offers a versatile solution for your home improvement projects. The kit includes multiple sizes, M8*22, M8*34, M8*46, M11*36, M11*50, M13*50, and cavity interset anchors. It has everything you need for a wide range of applications. What we like. This set offers a variety of sizes to suit different needs. The heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle demanding applications. If you need a versatile solution for both internal and external projects, this is a great choice. It's perfect for radiator brackets and kitchen cabinets. What people say. Easy to use, and pretty simple. My house is made with hollow walls, so these really help with anchoring stuff down. This tool allows you to crimp the inserts and then remove the bolt to attach whatever. When installed correctly, they are rock solid. Number 2. QUALIHOME Toggle Bolt Anchors, Heavy Duty. Are you looking for a reliable way to hang items on hollow walls? These spring toggle bolt anchors are the perfect solution. They provide strong support where you need it most. Made from high-quality steel, this product offers exceptional strength and durability. It resists rust and corrosion, ensuring it will last for years, unlike plastic alternatives. The unique two-piece fastening system features a strong screw and foldable spring wing toggle. The wings open inside the wall, distributing weight evenly. This makes it a reliable choice for securing heavy items. Installing these heavy-duty wall anchors is simple. The included DIY instructions make the process easy, and no special skills are required. You can quickly and easily get your items mounted. These versatile anchors are perfect for various settings, including hollow walls, drywall, and concrete. With this product, you can hang frames, shelves, mirrors, and more with confidence. What we like. These anchors use sturdy toggle bolts, making them reliable for heavy items. They're made of heavy-duty steel, ensuring they won't crack. If you're looking for a simple DIY project, this is a great choice. It's easy to install and perfect for hanging frames and shelves. What people say. Use these to put up some grab bars in a bathroom, as the wall is 2 layers thick with sheetrock and masonite. Use to install a horizontal, back wall, tub grab bar and a vertical front wall grab bar. Both grab bars are now securely fastened on a ceramic tiled hollow wall. They are strong for the size. Number 1. Paick Molle Bolts Kit for Drywall and Plaster Walls. This Paick drywall anchor set includes a heavy-duty mounting plier and 30 Molle bolts in 5 sizes. It provides convenient and versatile mounting options for various applications. The product works perfectly with M3, M4, M5, M6 Molle bolts for cavity anchor plasterboard fixing. It is suitable for drywall, hollow block, plaster, and tile. The hollow wall anchor's gun features a high-strength steel body with a drop-forged carbon steel upper handle. Thicker steel and chromium alloy wrenches ensure greater durability and a longer lifetime. The innovative expanding design evenly distributes weight across a larger surface area. This enhances stability and reduces the risk of wall damage. The mounting plier makes installation quick and easy. Anyone can achieve a strong hold effortlessly. The ergonomic non-slip grip ensures a secure hold and protects against injuries during use. What we like. This kit provides versatile mounting options with multiple sizes included. It's suitable for various surfaces, making it a flexible choice. If you want an easy installation, this is a great choice. It's perfect for hanging curtain rods, lamps, and photo frames. What people say. I recently mounted some speakers on the wall, 2 directly and 2 via shelves, and this helped with all of them. You start with a simple hole, 1/4 if I recall, followed by a bit of force to get the anchor through. It was snug. After that you use the tool to pull on the screw head and pull the anchor open. These are very nice tools if you are working with drywall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.